Yeah, really, when I came along to join KLS, I wasn't sure, but I have a good feeling that I will be gaining my restoration. But when I came in, I have so much pain, so much doubts. Even though I know God, I know in my mind, I know He's with me, but not experiencing it the way I used to. When I went through the divorce, there was so much lies that I didn't expect it to be surfaced, just to justify their, I can say my ex-husband, my husband then, he's just done so much hurt. And he did spell it out that he will destroy me in front of my face, my face. So I knew that's what, he did everything he can do to destroy me. But by grace of God, I came through it. But in the process, I had so much doubts, I would say, and then lost my confidence that I am called by God, and God used me. He wants to use me, and I have a calling. So I start pulling back, and before it was just, I know I'm called and I'm gonna do what He called me, but I have lost a lot of confidence. And when I enrolled KLS, it was just the first thing we do when we went to prayers and deliverance and inner healings. It's just every time we worship, we were doing twice worshiping, and the place we went to, Clifton, so Freedom Party, we were worshiping. The worship was amazing. I know most deliverance happen while I'm worshiping, and the worshiping was awesome. Just the personal confession to the Lord was powerful, and everyone, the leaders, embracing me and just accepting me to be how God created me, and just to open myself to everyone, to trust people again, was big for me. Because when somebody lies about you, you doubt everybody, No one is going to look at you the way God created you. I'm sorry, but everything what the enemy threw at me, and coming out the other side and be used by God again, is a victory to me. Yeah, I'm victorious. Hi, my name is Wasania Lesh Talahun, and I went through Kingdom Leadership School.